welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing for Baby Fridays. I'm trying to sit on the ground and let's see, and it's about this box that I barely got today. You're watching it the day after. It's from BabyList. You can see right here, BabyList. This is like a registry place that you can register, like the Amazon's BabyList or register list, Target register list. You have to add certain items to your registry list in order to qualify for a free baby box, sample box. So I do not know what is in here. They didn't have like a layout of what things I could go in here the time that I applied for. But now I think you can see certain samples, but I don't know what I got here. It took me about, I think, 2 weeks from when I originally filled out the form for me to receive the box. So let's see what we got from BabyList. So that's why I'm going to do this. I was going to do Luna's update video, but instead we're going to do the BabyList box. It's a great decent size, I gotta tell you. La 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 la. Oh, hello, baby. It says parenthood is a trip. We're thrilled to take the ride with you. Look how nice it's wrapped with paper and a little sticker. It says hello, baby. Hello. All right, let's see. We're gonna open it. Okay, Luna, can you move this way, babe? Come this way.
No.
Okay. Ooh, look at that, all that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and go into it. Number one, right here, it has a, oh my gosh, they should have given me this when I was about, I actually got this box a little bit late because you're supposed to order it almost about when you're gonna have baby, and I already have baby 2 months ago. I got a wrap, which I needed this when I gave birth. It says it's from Burt's Bee Baby. It says free when you spend $25 or more at Burt's Bee. Woo! Did Luna move me? Here we go. And this is Burt's Bee Baby. I think it's a wrap that you put on yourself. Let me see if I can open it. Luna. Luna's trying to operate the camera. Let me see if I can open it. Yeah, look at this. I can still use it, I guess, but oh, totally wrong. It's not a wrap. Erase that. Erase that. It's just like a burp cloth. Just a burp cloth. Why can't I read? How come they don't say it? They should say that. This is why organic cotton matters. It's cotton made. It's just like a burp wrap from Burt's Bee, and it has these little stickers right here. Burt's Bee, a burp, like a burp cloth that you put here, and then you know, not a round thing. Screw that up. It says it has a little book, BabyList. Oh, and then it includes a little book where like all the items or things like that you can buy from Baby's List. And then this thing right here, it says the happy family is registered at, oh, it gives you like little cards that you can pass on, like if you do this for your baby shower before you have baby. So I tell you, if you're going to have a baby, it's more recommended that you do it when you're going to have a baby, because this is a BabyList, like a registry thing. So that's why they give you the card, so you can write your code and then you can put it in the invitations or things like that and stuff. I can use this for my planner. It's kind of cute. And then the next thing here is from Pampers. So we're gonna go ahead and open it, because if I say something and it's not, like right here, we're gonna be in trouble. This is Pampers. It says Mom to Be Registry Gift, which you saw that. Pampers Registry Gift. And it's a little baggie. You can see. This was absolutely free, by the way. Absolutely free. So we're gonna go ahead and open. The little bag is cute. You can put here a lot of stuff in there. Okay, so inside of the baggie, we have a few samples as well. We have a whole little thing of Drift Stage 1 Newborn detergent. I did use this with Luna. It smells delicious. I haven't bought one for this baby because I had a gentle one already from Tide, so that's why I haven't bought this one. But there it is. It has that. It has like a few coupons for Pampers products. And then it has like a little pamphlet from the registry and things you should know. And well, this is newborn, but my sister has a barely newborn baby that was born on Wednesday, so she could use this one newborn because my daughter and I use number 2. Has a little newborn diaper and a little sample of Pampers wipes. I like these thin ones because I can put it in the diaper bag or the little backpack that I usually use for both of them instead of carrying the big chunk of wipes. This smaller one is better, you know. And all of these things fit in here, right in there. All of those were in this little Pampers baggie that is very useful for other things. The next thing here, it's a little sample, 3 little, baby Layla is trying to cry. Little samples of Cetaphil. And now these are all, I think, this is wash shampoo. So wash shampoo. And this is moisturizing oil. Moisturizing oil. I didn't know Cetaphil had all these things. And daily lotion. The other one's moisturizing, and this one's daily lotion. And it's a good 14 ounce. Like, no, not 14 ounce. Actually, they're different. 1.7 for the the shampoo. The moisturizing oil is 1.4, and the daily lotion is 1.7. And then this is diaper cream. And this one's way smaller. I wish they had sent a bigger size like the other ones. This one's just 0.36 ounces. And then it includes these other 2 little foil things. Gentle Skin Cleanser. I think this is for mom. Face and body. Yeah, and Daily Advanced Lotion. I think this one's for mom, not for baby. Yes! Baby Layla is crying. There we go. And then the last thing here is a hat. A hat for the sun. This might be big. Wish it wasn't like girl colors, but it has all these other colors. I barely have bought a pink one for Layla from the 99-cent store. This is sun protection hat, UPF 70, and it's by what brand? Achas Play. But it has different colors and a little string here. It's like gray from the inside. And it's a little hat. I don't think this fits on you, babe. This is for baby. And then the next thing here is just a certificate for Tote Savvy. And another thing from iPlay. It says a baby gift, and it gives a code on the back. And the other one are the Try Me Boob Ease Organic Nipple Balm. Oh, nice. This is for like if you're breastfeeding. This nipple is like a little sample here. And that was all that we have in the baby box. I like it, even though I kind of guess this was something else. It looked like a wrap that you put on your stomach, you know, like the ones they give you at the hospital. Not, it's a burp cloth from Burt's Bee. I didn't know they had this kind of things. But yeah, I really like the hat. It's very handy because the sun is coming. I like the little baggie. And like I told you, everything's free. The little Cetaphil samples that we got, Luna has all of them. But it's completely free. You just have to put things in your registry if you're really going to use it, because you can buy things from online and they can just ship it to you or ship it to the person that is going to give it. And then you can do that before you do your baby shower. So if you're giving like physical invitations, you can include these little cards in there, or it says thanks for being part of us. It's just a little cute little thing. But any other than that, that is all that I have for today's Baby Friday in the BabyList box. My That's all the stuff that we got. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Click the bell to notify you when I have a new video. And if you already have subscribed, thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. You can see that baby Layla crying. She was asleep. That's why I left her in the car seat. I didn't want to remove her.
Bye.